Hello everyone. So as your IIT exam is approaching, you people have a lot of confusion about what is IISER, what will I do after getting admission in IISER, what are the job opportunities available. So I, as an alumna from IISER itself, my name is Yashika, and today in this video we will be clearing all the confusions that you have related to IISER. Now if I talk about Sahastra, Sahastra is well known all across the nation for its excellent selections in your IIT exams. Last year 20 to 25 selections in your 7 IISers were from Sahastra and 20 plus selections were there in ISC Bangalore. So in today's video, I will tell you how you can also, achieve your goals and what is IISER and what are the career opportunities available after IISER. So let's begin the video. So what is IISER? Now IISER stands for Indian Institute of Science Education and Research. Now there are 7 IISers in total in India and these are premier institutes. Now there are 7 IISers in India where you can actually pursue your scientific career. So we have IISER Berhampur, IISER Kolkata, IISER Mohali, IISER Bhopal, IISER Thiruvananthapuram, IISER Tirupati and IISER Pune. Now, so these are the 7 IISers and here are the basic programs that are offered. So in every IISer you have a BSMS dual degree which is a 5-year course. There are total 4 to 5 domains here. You have physics, chemistry, maths, biology, earth and environmental sciences. Now for the first 2 years you have to study all 5 of the subjects and in your third year you will be picking a major. So out of these 5 you will be picking one particular subject where you will be taught everything in more detail. Okay. Now, if you talk about BS or BTech Engineering Sciences courses, now for these courses, mathematics is compulsory. So, duration for this course is up to 4 years and it is only available at IISER Bhopal. So, it is an unique engineering program that combines science and technology. So, now there are these special courses where you even have economics, etc. So, for these courses, mathematics in your 11th and 12th is absolutely necessary. So, moving ahead, if you see the special academic offerings that you have in IISER Mohali, you have astronomy that is offered as a minor subject. Now, it will provide students with opportunity to explore even your celestial sciences. Okay. Now, IISER Kolkata offers computational biology and data science for students who want to, pursue data science or computational biology. Now, again, for this course, mathematics is compulsory. And IISER Bhopal has a 4 years engineering program that we just talked about in the previous slide. Okay. So now if I talk about the admission process, so for all the IISers, you have an entrance exam which is known as your IISER aptitude test. Now in this exam, it is a CBT mode exam and in this exam, you need all 4 subjects. Okay. Now all 4 subjects in the sense that you need not have all those 4 subjects in your class 11th and 12th, but you have to appear for physics, chemistry, maths and biology. So all 4 sections have to be attempted. Okay. It is conducted every year and it gets you admission in all 7 IISers. And not only that, if you get a good rank, okay, so the exam is total of 240 marks and out of 240 if you can keep your score above 220, even IISc Bangalore, okay, which is India's top research institute, IISc Bangalore also takes admission through this entrance exam. Okay, so if I talk about the exam pattern here, so I just told you the subjects that are covered. So they are physics, chemistry, maths and biology. Question type is both conceptual and your application based. Syllabus generally is your class 11th and 12th NCERT. However, in these exams, they often check your scientific aptitude as well. Okay, and it basically focuses on how well you are understanding the concept. So the questions are not as directly asked from your NCERT, but they are more, drafted in such a way that they want to actually know your conceptual grasp of the particular topic. Okay. So now if I talk about the eligibility criteria, any student who has passed their class 12th or is appearing can actually sit for this exam. Board does not matter. You can be from CBSE, State Board, ICSE, Cambridge Board, whichever board you are from, it does not matter. You can still apply for this exam. Subject requirements, you have to have physics, chemistry. These 2 are compulsory. Then you can have mathematics also or biology. Minimum marks criteria is that to sit in this exam, you need to have at least 60% aggregate in your class 12th examination. Okay, that is absolutely necessary. Now, if you talk about why do you want to choose IISers? Now, many students, they actually pursue courses like biotech, BSc in biology, BSc in chemistry, and they want to pursue research. All right. So, these institutes, these seven ISers are actually, primarily focused into pursuing research. So you get excellent, scientific education. All seven ISers have, lot of global connections. They have very internationally, acclaimed programs. They have global recognition here. Then they also have great career opportunities. So if you want to work as a scientist, if you want to work at, a lab, so studying from these institutes to work in a particular lab or to work under a particular scientist gives you an easy way out if you are studying from these institutes. Now they are, again, you get a hands-on research from day one. So you actually get to work in labs, use various equipments, and you'll have hands-on practice in these institutes, which is, by the way, not, available in many of the undergrad and postgrad institutes. From these seven ISers, you actually get that opportunity from day one. Now you will get, the campuses in residential areas only, and the students get hostel, mess, everything is available for the students then and there. And the faculties that are here in these, seven ISers, the professors that are actually teaching in these seven ISers, they also have studied from foreign universities like your Stanford, Harvard, Oxford, from these universities. And after studying from these prestigious institutes, they come and work as a professor here. Okay. Now that was all about your seven ISers. If you are also interested in joining one of these premier institutes, then listen carefully, because Sayastra is here to help you. Sayastra's faculty are actually the alumni who have studied and, completed their research domain from these institutes. So you will be getting an opportunity from studying directly from those faculties, from where your papers will be set. And not only that, if you look at our IIT and NEST mock books, there are questions that came in your JEE's main in 2025 as it is from the book itself. So Sayastra is literally India's one of the best, or I should say the only institute where you get top-notch preparation for your IIT and NEST exam. Now, if you look at the crash courses that we have for IIT exam specifically, we have the IIT 2026 crash course. Here you will be getting daily live revision classes from Monday to Saturday. You will have 12 mocks to practice from. Okay, and these mocks will be given in CBT mode. So you can actually have the feeling of the examination before entering your exam. You will have, all PYQs starting from 2017 to 2025 in CBT mode with full video solutions, and you also will be having daily, live problem solving sessions from 8 to 10 p.m. Now, there will be complete coverage of all the subjects: physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. And this batch will be totally in English. You will also be having a mentor, okay, who will be actually supporting you till your IIT exam and even after your, counseling and everything starts. So if you look at this course here, you will also be having your AI doubt solver. So it will help you actually, solve your doubts almost instantly. And you will have, live interactions with your mentors. You'll get all classes recordings, all lecture notes. So you will have the complete study material, which will help you to crack your IIT's 2026 exam. So right now, this crash course is at a discounted price, and the price discount is only available till today. We are also having a free orientation session on 9th March 2026 on this YouTube channel. It will be live from 6 to 7 p.m. and we have a free big surprise in that orientation. So do join that. Moving ahead, if you are also preparing, if you want to pursue your, research dream, then we also have NEST examination. All right, so through NEST you get admission in your NISA Bhubaneswar and CEBS Mumbai. Now these are also premier research institutes, and they directly come under, your Department of Atomic Energy, right? So here, what do you get? Here also you will be having daily live revision classes from Monday to Saturday. All 4 subjects will be covered, your PCMB, and you'll have 12 mock tests again in CBT mode. All PYQs since 2018 to 2025 will be covered with full video solution. Now you must be feeling that the PYQs are very less. No, because NEST exam happens in various shifts. So all shifts PYQs will be available to you here, and you'll have daily problem solving sessions from 8 to 10 p.m. Again, you will be having a mentor where you can discuss your issues, and you will have your AI doubt solver here also. Now this batch is also in English. Now if you want to prepare for both IIT and NEST examination, we have a combo for IIT and NEST 2026. Again, here also you will have all the classes. You'll have a total of 24 mock tests that you can actually give in CBT mode, and you'll have video solutions for all your PYQs, PYQ questions and all. So all your IIT and NEST PYQs will be available here. Okay. So now, if you want a course that is more personalized to you, okay, which is more structured in a way that caters to your weaknesses and to your strengths, so for those students we also have a personalized crash course. Now in personalized crash course, apart from all these features available in all three exams, now apart from the features that are available in the rest of the three crash courses, in personalized crash course you actually get a personalized roadmap and strategy where you can actually, focus as per your weaknesses and your strength. Okay, if one particular subject in chemistry is weak, if one particular subject in biology is weak, our mentors will actually guide you how you can overcome that weakness and how you can actually, make your preparation even more solid. So you will get two level supports here. Both, first is your personal and your academic concerns. So now what happens is, many students, they face a lot of personal issues. Okay, so you have a mentor, a counselor here that will actually listen to both your personal as well as your academic concerns, so that your preparation can sail very smoothly. And you will have bi-weekly strategy meetings, so all your procrastination issues will be solved because you will be getting a to-do list. And here you also get to have an optional parent teacher meeting. So what are you waiting for now? You have so many resources available. You should actually go and enroll in these crash courses right now. And you should also attend the live that is happening on Monday, that is 9th March 2026, because we have a very big surprise for you all. Now, if I talk about Sayastra selections, here behind me you can see the testimonial page. So the All India rank 3, 5, 23, 27, 33, 41, 61, 68, 69, 72. Your All India rank 111, 127, 157, 197. These all, even 129, all these students, they were from Sayastra itself. And not only these, Sayastra has mentored almost 5 lakh students and has actually guided them to get to their dream institute. So Sayastra is not, just an institute. It is actually a community, a family, where you get, scientific advisors from these prestigious institutes. Not only that, we have scientific advisors from even outside universities. So Sayastra is not an institute, it is actually a family. And if you join in, I can guarantee you that you will not regret. So now there are many students who actually look for scholarships. Now I will tell you, in these institutes we have an Inspire scholarship, now where you get 5,000 per month as your monthly stipend, which helps you support your academic journey and living expense throughout your program. So for all 5 years you get this scholarship. And you also get research grants very easily. You can additionally get summer research grants that are included to encourage your scientific hands-on experiences, your work in other laboratories, etc. Now many students, they don't understand what do we do after going into these institutes. Okay, so if you want to pursue PhD, that is your higher studies, many students can easily go for their PhD abroad. Why? Because these Sevenizers have a lot of connections through their professors, and it is very very easy for ISO students to apply for PhD outside. And not only that, even the professors from foreign universities, they actually come here to give talks, so you actually get a chance to interact with them in person as well. Then government research. Many students who are studying in ISA, they appear for their GATE exam, they appear for their CSIR NET exam, and after clearing these exams, you actually get an opportunity to join organizations like DRDO, ISRO, BARC, CSIR labs for more advanced research, for better career opportunities. And you can also have your scientific posts. Now if you don't want to join these research institutes as a research fellow, you can also apply in these institutes as a scientific officer as well, because they have posts for students who have cleared their GATE and have studied from ISER, NISER and IISc Bangalore. Now, there are some important dates that you should know, because IIT's registration forms have been released. You can check out our last video because I have filled that form step by step. So make sure you check that video out as well. Now, coming back to this video, if you see the application portal, they opened on 5th March 2026, that is on Thursday. The closing date for your application is April 13th, which is a Monday at 11:55 p.m. And the correction window that is available, that is from 16th April to 18th April. Okay. The hall tickets, that is your admit card, they will be released on May 24th, 2026, and your exam will be conducted on June 7th, that is a Sunday, from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. So window for selective information or document upload in your application form will open from June 13, 2026 to June 21, 2026. Now this is specifically for those students who will be getting their class 12th board certificate a little late. So this window will be for those students, and last date for selective information or document upload in the application form, that is June 21, which is given here. So if you look at the fee details, alright, 2000 rupees is for candidates who are applying in general, EWS, OBC and OBC NCL candidates. 1000 rupees for candidates who would be applying under PWD and person who are registered at Kashmiri migrant or your SC and ST category. 12,000 rupees for candidates who are applying under foreign nation category. Now this application fee is non-refundable. Okay. So this was all about your ISER, and if you have any further queries, you can drop your queries in the comment section below. So if you also want to actually study in these premier research institutes, you can also join Sayastra's family, and you have any further questions, you can actually leave them in the comment below and we will revert back to you. It is very, very important that you study very seriously now because you have hardly any time left. I wish you all the best and we'll see you in your dream institute.